Hello everyone, welcome back to physics class. Today's class we are going to start revision. All of you know the syllabus of physics, chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us start revision. Define force, write its SI unit. Here you have to write definition of force and write its SI unit. So we can define force as a push or pull acting upon an object as a result of its interaction between another object. What is the SI unit of force? The SI unit of force is Newton. It is represented by capital N. Next, what is streamlining? What is streamlining? Streamlining means giving a spatial shape to objects so that they may experience minimum drag while traveling air or water. What is mean solar day? Mean solar day is the time taken by the earth to make one complete rotation about its own axis. Next, what does a state of matter depend on? State of matter depend on the intermolecular force of attraction and intermolecular space between its molecules. Next, define metrology. What is metrology? The branch of science that deal with measurement is known as metrology. So that define others keywords also you have to learn for all chapter. It may become in defined form. Okay, so learn all keywords. Then define parallax, error, friction, gravity. Convert the following temperature scale to Kelvin scale. Here is given value in degrees Celsius. You have to change in Kelvin. 5 degrees Celsius change to Kelvin, minus 10 degrees Celsius change to Kelvin, and 10 degrees Celsius change to Kelvin. So use the formula and solve it. Next, convert the following temperature of the Kelvin scale to corresponding value in their Celsius scale. Look this question here. Question has given in Kelvin scale. You have to convert this Kelvin scale into degree Celsius scale. Next, write the different branches of physics. The branches of physics you can see in your textbook page number 5. Here is a different branches. You have to learn definition of all branches. It's like a mechanics, the study of the interaction between matter and the force acting on it. Acoustic, what is the acoustic? The study of sound. Optics, the study of the behavior of light. Astronomy, the study of universe beyond the earth atmosphere. Thermodynamics, what is thermodynamics? The study of heat and its interaction between energy and work. Electromagnetism, the study of electricity and magnetism is called electromagnetism. Nuclear physics, the study of atomic nuclei. Let's start answer in detail. First, disadvantages of friction. Here you have to write disadvantages of friction. Suppose question will come 4 marks, so you have to write 4 point must be, and question number will come suppose 5 marks, so you have to write 5 point. Okay, so point wise question depend according to marks. 4 marks question, write 4 point. 5 marks question, write 5 points. Reducing friction, here also you have to write points 5 or 4 point. Describe the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale it's of its temperature. So you have to describe here Fahrenheit scale and temperature scale with diagram. Next, to compare the temperature of tap water and hot water using a laboratory thermometer. Here in this question you have to write aim, material required, procedure and result with diagram. Make a diagram also. This activity questions all steps you have to write aim, material required, procedure, result and diagram. Next, to measure the thickness of a 5 rupees coin. Here also write aim, material required, diagram, procedure and result. Next, to measure the diameter of a wire. Okay, this is also activity like question. So write aim, material required, procedure, result and diagram. So detailed answer you have to write properly. All sub points should be covered. So dear children, I hope all of you understood very well. When you write details, answer in detail questions, all sub points should be right in your answer. with diagram. Thank you.